Swachh Bharat Mission Program. Construction of 6 cubic meter capacity biomethanation plant. From kitchen and vegetable waste in Kanyakumari district. Through the Swachh Bharat Mission scheme, District Rural Development Agency in Kanyakumari installed 6 cubic meter capacity biogas plants from kitchen and vegetable wastes in the 8 schools of Kanyakumari district. The work was carried out by Vivekananda Natural Resource Development Project, or in short Technology-Vivekananda, Kanyakumari. First, the platform and steps were constructed for installing biogas plant. Shakti Surbhi Bio-Methanation plant was placed on the platform. Cow dung was mixed with water and filled the slurry in the digester. As the cow dung dissolves in anaerobic condition, the production of anaerobic bacteria will begin and optimum production will take place in about 30 days. The side of the plant is filled with water so that gas does not escape and prevents bad odors. After 30 days, the kitchen waste was fed through an inlet pipe. At first, a small amount of kitchen waste was fed and gradually increased to reach the optimum condition. The gas holder raises as gas is produced from the waste. This gas is connected to a biogas stove in the kitchen through a pipeline connection and used for cooking noon meals for the students. This Shakti Surbhi Bio-Methanation plant gives the following 5 benefits. 1. Proper waste disposal. Thus, no menace of flies and mosquitoes. 2. Gas is used for cooking purpose. 3. Reduction in use of LPG and thus saving in money. 4. Outlet slurry is good natural liquid manure. It can be used as a fertilizer for home and terraced gardens. 5. The environment is protected by burning this methane gas for cooking purpose, as it is 23 times more harmful than carbon dioxide. Shakti Surbhi Bio-Methanation plant has been installed at the following places. 1. Government Primary School, Etha Moli, Rajakka Mangalam Union. 2. Government High School, Pudhur, Rajakka Mangalam Circle. 3. Government Primary School, Rajakka Mangalam, Rajakka Mangalam. 4. Government Higher Secondary School, Sandapatu Vilai, Rajakka Mangalam Union. 5. Government Higher Secondary School, Etha Moli, Rajakka Mangalam Union. 6. Government High School, Payan Kuli, Tak Alai Union. 7. Government Higher Secondary School, Kandan Vilai, Tak Alai Union. 8. Government Higher Secondary School, Katta Turai, Thirvattar Union. Each 6 cubic meters capacity biomethanation plant is giving the following benefits. Safe disposal of 30 kilograms of kitchen waste. 2.5 kilograms worth of LPG and thus saving in fossil fuel and in turn the foreign exchange. It gives 50 to 60 liters of natural liquid fertilizer for home garden. 6 cubic meters of methane gas is safely burned and thus arrested greenhouse gases which are responsible for global warming. Thank you for watching.